What's up, guys? We're in the shop today on this beautiful Saturday, and we have Will's 2019 Canam Commander 800 in the shop. And we've been running, as far as the suspension and all, it's stock, and we've been running 28-inch Zillas on no limit rims. There's your background noise right here. And he's wanting to run, for right now, he's wanting to run these 29.5 OG Outlaws. And so what we're doing today is we're installing a 2.5-inch Superatv bracket lift. And we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to do the front first. Then we'll tell you what kind of measurements we get out of it. And we're going to see if we can clear these 29.5 Outlaws. We already did some research, Will did, and it can be done with just a bracket lift, and that's what we're going to do today. So here we go. Alright guys, so when you get started, first of all, the kit does not come with instructions, but Superatv is really good about having all their instructions as a downloadable file on the website. So when you buy your product or order it from superatv.com, go ahead and download the instructions, and it's at the bottom of the page where you can view the item and the item descriptions. So anyway, so download your manual, and it's really good instructions, very clear. But you want to jack up the front end of your machine and unbolt your top shock mount, and you want to uninstall your air intake hose, and you're going to have to get it up out of the way. So uninstall it from this end. That's what the instructions say, and then we're going to go on from there. But that is the first step. All right, guys. So these are your rear brackets right here in the kit. That's your rear brackets. And then on your front, just make sure you can see. You helping us, baby?
I'm not helping.
Here you are. Okay. On the front, as you can see, you gotta pull this out of your way. Let's try to get the focus. But you can see how that fits in there very well, actually. And you use your new hardware to mount that in and get it all in place. We're going to show you how to do that on this driver's side. Alright guys, just want to show you where the bolts go. They did a good job of designing this to use the factory holes and mounting places. There's already a place here where you see this bolt. Uh-oh, lost my light. So that's going to go there, of course. And there's going to be a bolt that goes through your old stock shock mounting location for the upper. It's going to go through there. And then your new mounting location is right here. So pretty simple, guys. Everything's already there. No drilling is needed. All hardware is included. So pretty simple install, guys. 2.5-inch bracket lift. That's the front. We're going to show you how to do the rear, and it's going to be a good deal. All right, guys. We got the fronts installed and down on the 29.5 OG Outlaws. Now we are doing the rear. Get your tires off out of the way, and lift up your bed. The rears are very easy to get to. You gotta take your bumper, you gotta take your bed bumper stops off, and these are the brackets that go in the rear. And you're gonna have to remove these right here. What size was that? Bumper's 13 millimeter, and the upper shock mount bolt is a 15 millimeter. So take this off, move your shocks out of the way, and then install your bracket. This is a piece right here that it comes in the kit. You'll slide into place. That's just got a threaded piece on the back side for the bolt that comes with the kit. All right, so your bracket. My bad. Your bracket is going to fit right here. Let me get the light. The bracket's going to fit in place just like so. You can see where it braces to the top, this top crossbar. The bump stop for the bed's going to go right back into this hole. And then you're going to have a bolt that fits into here. And your new, and then also a bolt will go through here. And then your rear shock is going to mount right there. Alright, going to show y'all real quick with everything finished on the driver's side. Remember to put your bolt right there in the new threaded piece that you'll insert on that comes with the kit. Then you're going to have a bolt that's going to go through your stock shock mounting location. And then this is where your new mounting location is going to be. Looks like there's going to be two options. This is where your bed bumper stop's going to go. And just tighten everything back up. That's it. Well guys, we got the 2.5-inch bracket lift completely installed. And Will bought some 30-inch Interforce Ag style tires. And as you can see, he does clear them. Not by much. But it definitely gave the Commander some much needed ground clearance. Looks super good. I mean, it's strapped down. Well, you got all the straps off now, but like these tires, we're excited to do a tire review on these tires here. But the Commander definitely has some much needed ground clearance with the 30-inch tires that can be fitted now due to the 2.5-inch bracket lift, as well as the shocks turned up, not quite all the way, but almost all the way. But you can see the brackets as we installed earlier. We hope that will answer your or help you make a decision on getting this bracket lift. It's very well made, very easy to install, and gives you the clearance to where you can clear 30-inch tires. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. We're going to go test her out.